Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today we'll be focusing on the Sheetify Bookkeeping template. This is an all-in-one Google Sheets bookkeeping template for small businesses. And today we'll be diving into the 5-year financial dashboard. And for those of you that are completely new to our Sheetify CRM or Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit, then what I'll do is add the relevant tutorials down below in the description that will dive deeper into each of these templates. Okay, so let's dive into our 5-year financial dashboard so you understand how this works inside our Sheetify bookkeeping template. First, you can see we've opened up settings, and this is where you want to take the time to add your currency, start month, as well as start year. And this is based on your current financial year. Then come down and you'll see your coverage period. You can see we have a 5-year range over here. And then if we navigate across to income categories and expense categories, this is where you want to add your categories. You can see I've already gone ahead and added my income and expense categories. Then over here, we have profit goals. Here you can add your profit goals if you like. Again, this is over a 5-year period. Next, simply navigate down to income, and here you want to add your income. And you can do that by simply adding in your new income record. For example, let's quickly add a new record. For us, this is income we received today. Add the ID, then name that income item. And for me, I sold an ebook. Then navigate over to category and add the category. This is income that we made through our Shopify store. Then add the income amount, as well as tax and fees if any. And we can calculate the tax of this product by navigating up to the tax calculator, adding the amount in here. You can see I've already done that, $59, and our tax rate is 15%, so the tax amount is $8.85. So I'm going to add that in here, and I'm happy with that. And you can see the net income over here. Once you've added your income, you can navigate down to expenses, and here you can add your expense items, and the process is exactly the same, similar to adding an income item. Now with income and expense, what you can also do is navigate up to Sheetify and come down and add expense or add income. And rather than scrolling down, that's going to allow you to add a new line at the top of your expense and income sheet. Or if we navigate up to scroll down and click on go to last row, that's going to automatically scroll you down the page to the deepest data input. Again, saving you time scrolling all the way down. This is if you have hundreds or thousands of transactions. Okay, so once you've taken the time to add your income and expenses, then we can navigate over to our different dashboards. We have our monthly dashboard, annual dashboard, and 5-year dashboard over here, as well as other dashboards. Again, if you want to learn more about these other dashboards, I will add the relevant tutorials down below in the description. Today, we're just going to focus on the 5-year dashboard. Here, we simply need to add the starting calendar year. I'm going to change this to 2023, and you can see the data has been populated. Okay, so let's go ahead and break down this financial data. First, we can see our total income, and for the purpose of today's tutorial, we only added a few income and expense transactions, so this isn't going to be very much. Then we have profit and loss over a 5-year period, as well as profit margins over this period. Again, down here we can see the 5-year profit margin. Then we have annual income and expenses. You can see our 5 years have been populated down here based on the start year, 2023 through to 2027. This allows you to see a trend in your profit. Again, this is just an example because we're currently in 2024. 2025 through to 2027 has not happened yet. Then let's navigate over to annual income. This is where we can see a trend over 5 years in terms of our income. Then let's navigate down to annual overview. Here we can see a breakdown over 5 years in terms of income, expenses, profit, and profit margin over this period. And then we have the total down here. That includes these 5 years. Then if we navigate across to annual report, again, we can see our profit trend over 5 years. Let's navigate down the page and head over to 5-year income and expenses. Here you can see the total figure down here of your income over 5 years and expenses. Then we have annual expenses, and you can see the trend of your expenses over these 5 years. If we navigate down to income, this is where you can see a breakdown of your income over 5 years, as well as total and average. This is your average income over 5 years based on this category. And you can see the same with expenses down here, as well as a total figure. Let's navigate back up. You can see a 5-year income breakdown in terms of your income categories. And then down here, we have a 5-year income breakdown again. So we have a pie graph and a bar graph down here. Then we have the same for our 5-year expense breakdown, a pie graph here, and then a bar graph down here to help you understand and visualize your personal or business expenses and income. Okay, let's navigate back up to the top. And that is everything that we wanted to cover in this Sheetify bookkeeping tutorial. This is a breakdown of your 5-year financial dashboard. Again, if you want to learn more about our Sheetify CRM or Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit, I will add the appropriate resources down below in the description. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.